I wish you a happy Christmas, I wish you a happy Christmas, I wish you a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. Sounds so bad, right? Pardon me guys, just pardon me. Even then, I always wishing you a very happy Christmas as well as a happy New Year in advance. So as this is a special video, this is Christmas, so I want to give you something special. So today I'm gonna do a review regarding a smartphone that is something special for me as well as for you, right? So today I'm gonna do a review regarding this one. Got it? This is the all-new iPhone X, which is one of the unique smartphone on the planet. Even though it's late, I think iPhone X is always iPhone X, and I should do a video regarding that. So let's see what are the pros and cons and features of the smartphone. Does that worth your money? It's me, Donald Sebastian, signing in. Dtech, engage.
Keep it on the
So guys, today I'm gonna show you, does it worth your money? This iPhone cost about 1,02,000 rupees INR, Indian rupees. So does that worth your money? It's what I'm gonna explain you by seeing the pros and cons of using this smartphone. So the pros of this smartphone is that the Face ID technology is itself. Face ID is a system that scans your face, recognizes you and unlock your phone. According to Apple, Face ID is the most secure way to protect your phone from intrusion. The chances of someone fooling the phone are 1 in 10 lakh, which basically means it's the most solid security mechanism on iPhone. Next thing is bigger, better screen. The screen of iPhone X is much better and bigger than any other iPhone. It features Full HD OLED and True Zone technology. Its size is 5.8 inches and bigger is smaller. Although the iPhone X has a bigger screen than the iPhone 8 Plus, the size of the body of the iPhone X is smaller than the iPhone 8 Plus because the screen of iPhone X goes edge to edge. The height and width of the iPhone are smaller than those of iPhone 8, even though the screen is bigger. Next is regarding the portrait lighting, and the innovation on iPhone is portrait lighting. This photography feature calculates different parameters like light, motion and objects. It is enabled to produce special lighting effects to make the most facial contours. Next one is the Animojis. If you are a fan of emojis, then Animojis will be a big pro for the iPhone for you. Animojis are animated emojis using your face. The technology that maps your face for Face ID is also used to create Animojis you can send to your friends in iMessage. Next one is regarding the wireless charging technology. No need to plug your phone into a cable to charge it, just lay it on an inductive charging mat, and you have to purchase it by costing an extra rupees. So these are the pros of using the Apple technology. The Apple is something providing you a great feature to the users if you are providing worth rupees 1,02,000 to them. So next one is the cons of iPhone X. This is one of the most special things that you have to always understand. Besides having many benefits, the iPhone X has also few shortcomings that should be addressed as well. First one is a high price. Many buyers have complained about the pricing of iPhone X is overpriced. This means only those who can raise that money will be able to afford to get one. Next one is fewer color options. Unlike its predecessors, the iPhone X comes in fewer colors. It will be available in silver and space gray. And many people think Apple should have considered adding more colors for those. Next one is the notch. Notch is not so popular. While the iPhone X covers the length of the phone, a notch blocks the screen at the top for the front-facing camera. This notch has been criticized by some as interrupting the view of the screen. Next one is the Touch ID absence. Although Apple replaced the Touch ID with the more advanced Face ID, there are those who will take some time to get used with the new feature. To them, Touch ID was easier to use. For me, iPhone was a good experience and I think it gave me a different level of using. And moreover, it's a special brand and it's the only brand that will give you this type of feeling. There are many brands like Samsung as well as many Chinese companies. They can't provide you this experience, that's for sure. So it's your wish to buy or not to buy the smartphone. For me, I was fully satisfied, but the price is something overpriced and that's something the main con of using the smartphone. So if the Apple iPhone X the price was decreased, I think it's one of the most trusted Apple iPhone ever. So once again, I'm wishing you a happy Christmas. Be like Jesus Christ, try to love others, try to pardon others' sins. It's what you can do in this year. Try to love others and try to pardon others' sins. Make your each day count. That's what my quote and my message to you. Make your each day count. It's me, Donald Sebastian. We'll be back with another new series of Apple like this. Await it.